My name is Dan Whitney with the Whitney Law Firm in Towson, Maryland. I sue a lot of car dealerships in Maryland. New car dealerships, used car dealerships, they're all doing bad things and we sue a lot of them. So I've been getting a lot of questions about what exactly is the spot delivery and what exactly are my rights about spot deliveries in Maryland. So the first step is, what is a spot delivery? A spot delivery is when a car dealership lets a customer take a car home and drive it before financing has been approved. In other words, the customer gets the car on the spot without it being financed. So in Maryland, if dealers let somebody take a car without it being financed, the dealership has to let them know in writing within 4 days whether or not financing has been approved. Dealerships rarely comply with the 4 days, and sometimes they'll wait a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, or sometimes even 60 days to finally let somebody know, bad news, financing wasn't approved, you got to bring the car back. At this point, the customer can say, okay, I'm bringing the car back, or another deal can be attempted to get worked out, maybe change the interest rate or the term or whatever, but the customer has the right to give the car back and certainly has the right to get all of their down payment back. And here's what happens very often. The dealer will say, give me my car back, but they'll say, we want to keep the down payment, and they'll make up some sort of a legal excuse like, oh, you put a lot of miles on the car, you had it for a month, whatever it may be, but they're not allowed to do that. In Maryland, the dealership, when financing is not approved, they have to give back the entire down payment. That's it. There's not any other excuses. They just need to do it, but they will fight and they will very often try to keep it, making up whatever excuse they can. When this happens, if a dealership tries to keep a down payment, you have legal rights, and the state of Maryland allows for the car buyer to sue the dealership. And as part of the claims they can bring, the consumer can get an attorney, such as myself, to sue and then recover attorney's fees from the dealership. So in other words, the car buyer is not going to be out of pocket any money and can get their down payment back and have their attorney's fees paid by the dealership that tried to steal the down payment in the first place. So if you've been the victim of a dealership trying to keep your down payment after financing has not been approved, call me, Dan Whitney, at the Whitney Law Firm in Towson, Maryland, and we can talk about your potential case. My number is 410-583-8000. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you.